Greetings, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, specializing in WordPress and Woocommerce. This tutorial is about which fields are supported by Woocommerce Bulk Product Editing plugin. Woocommerce Bulk Product Editing plugin is one of the most useful extensions of WordPress designed for bulk editing all fields assigned to a product in WooCommerce. In this plugin, all of WooCommerce product fields are supported and you have access to them for bulk editing. Let's see some of these fields in the WooCommerce product page and then check them in our plugin to see how we made editing of those options easier for store managers. The most important fields in WooCommerce product page include product categories, product tags, product thumbnail, product title, and product description, the product data such as price, shipping, tax, and attributes. In addition to these options, there are a lot of more fields available in our plugin for changing and editing product features, which you can find in this address after installing our plugin on WordPress. So the address is WordPress dashboard, IT bulk editing, Woo products, and then bulk edit form. To see the bulk edit form, you need to click on the bulk edit button at the main page of our plugin. So which fields are supported in the bulk edit form? In the bulk edit form, we categorized all product fields in different tabs to help the store managers find those fields needed to be bulk edited easily and quickly. In this tutorial, we want to review all tabs in this form and show you which fields are provided in each tab. Alright, General tab. In the General tab, you can find the most popular fields related to the products and you are able to bulk edit them by using different kind of editable boxes. Which include fields editable by condition, text, and variable boxes. In these kinds of edited boxes, you can set a condition in the condition box to append, replace, or delete the value typed in the text box. You are also able to choose a variable as the value of text box such as ID or title. The fields with this kind of editable boxes include product title, product slug, product SKU, description, short description, a purchase note, and that's it. Then there are fields editable by combo box. Some fields can be bulk edited by selecting a data from the drop-down list designed in the combo box in front of each field, which are menu order, enabled review, product status, catalog visibility, and author. Fields editable by calendar. For some fields that you need to pick a date for, we provided a calendar and you can use it to easily find your preferred date and bulk edit those fields such as, well, date. Next, we have fields editable by clicking on a button. In front of some fields, we design a button which directs you to a new pop-up form to have access to some other options for editing the values related to that field. Image and gallery are two fields provided in the General tab which can be edited by clicking on the Choose Image button. Next, we have Categories, Tags, Taxonomies tab. In this tab, you can see all categories, tags, and taxonomies assigned to your product either by using built-in codes or by some plugins such as ACF. Now, in order to bulk edit them, you need to choose a condition from the first combo box, which include append, replace, and delete. The next thing you need to do is select one or more categories, tags, or taxonomies from the list displayed in the selection box. Now, to apply those changes, you can simply click on the Do Bulk Edit button. Now, as we completely described how to bulk edit categories, tags, taxonomies in WooCommerce bulk product editing plugin in our channel before, we just reviewed this part briefly right here. Then we have Pricing tab. In the Price tab, all the fields related to the prices of products are available and you can edit them by using these options. Fields editable by condition, text, and variable boxes. As we mentioned before, these kinds of editable boxes can be edited by setting a condition and adding a value or variable in the text box. These fields include regular price and sale price. Editing fields by a calendar. You can edit the fields by picking a date from the calendar provided in our plugin. Now it includes set date from and set date to. Alright, editing fields by combo box. In the last two fields, which are text status and text class, you can choose your preferred item from the drop-down list and apply them to the post and custom posts by clicking on Do Bulk Edit. Shipping tab. In this tab, the first fields called shipping class can be edited by choosing a value from the combo box next to it. However, the other fields including width, height, length, and weight are available to be edited by choosing a condition from the first combo box and then typing a number in the text box. Alright, coming up next we have Stock tab. In the Stock tab, we provided these fields related to the products. Now these fields are Manage Stock, Stock Status, Stock Quantity, and Allow Back Orders. Now, except for stock quantity, which can be edited by choosing a condition and typing a value in the text box, the values related to the other fields are listed in a combo box, and you can choose your preferred date according to them. Alright, Type tab. As we described all fields provided in the Type tab in how to change multi-product settings such as product types, we're gonna briefly explain that these fields are available in this tab for editing. So, product type, featured, virtual, downloadable, download limit, download expiry, product URL, upsells, and cross-sells. Custom Fields tab. In the Custom Fields tab, you can see all meta fields imported to our plugin manually or automatically from the Meta Fields tab before. And as we discussed in how to add metadata custom fields to WooCommerce bulk product editing plugin, you can add all custom fields created in the WooCommerce product page either by using the default options or some useful plugins such as ACF to our plugin and have access to them in the custom field tab of bulk edit form to be edited. Now, bulk edit form is not the only page that you have access to all fields related to the products in our plugin, but you can also use all fields assigned to your posts in WooCommerce. So you can do this by first filtering your custom product according to any field you prefer in the filter form, and then add all fields to the product table of our plugin from column profile forms to be able to see their assigned data or inline edit them.